and welcome to a brand new episode of Weekend Out. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. And today I'm going to ask you a few questions जिनके आंसर देने के बाद आपको ही लगेगा कि हैं ऐसा भी होता है, मैंने तो कभी सोचा ही नहीं. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि what do you like more, your strengths or your weaknesses? Now the answer, the obvious answer is going to be of course I like my strengths, but that's wrong. Imagine कीजिए if chocolate is your weakness, won't you like it more than many of your strengths? एक और चीज़ बताता हूँ आपको चॉकलेट के बारे में, एंड ये मुझे अभी अभी पता चला है कि व्हेन यू ईट चॉकलेट इट क्रिएट्स अ सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ एंटी बैक्टीरियल इफेक्ट इन योर माउथ. तो फिर क्यों कहते हैं लोग कि चॉकलेट खाने से दांत गिर जाएंगे? ये कुछ ऐसे सवाल हैं जो आपको कंप्लीटली बौखला देंगे, आपके माइंड में ऐसा चक्कर चलाएंगे कि आप घनचक्कर बन जाएंगे. लेकिन इससे बचने का यही इलाज है कि सवाल छोड़िए, जवाब ढूंढिए, एंड ये सारे जवाब जो हैं वो आपको मिलेंगे चॉकलेट अकेडमी में. World's leading manufacturer of high-quality chocolate and cocoa products, the Barry Callebaut Group has opened a new, unique chocolate training center, the first of its kind in the Middle East. The Chocolate Academy Center offers a wide range of workshops and demonstrations for chefs, culinary professionals, as well as chocolate experts.
Our aim with Academy is to provide them this platform of innovation, inspiration, to play with chocolate, with our couverture chocolate, so they could, find, let's say, the ways to be unique, to differentiate themselves among others, because in this booming area, which is Dubai here, it's all about the differentiation of yourself. So what we are trying to provide them, this platform, the venue where they could play with chocolate, to become unique with using our products, of course.
It will be showcasing knowledge accumulated over more than 150 years by Barry Callebaut's global gourmet chocolate brands like Callebaut, Cacao Barry, and Karma. The Chocolate Academy will be offering a diverse range of seminars, demonstrations, theoretical courses, and practical workshops designed to inspire artisans and culinary professionals, including chocolatiers, pastry chefs, bakers, and other chocolate experts, as well as professional workings in hotels, restaurants, and the catering business.
Different segments in a way of working chocolate, different sectors. I would say there is a pastry side. Pastry side is a way of approaching chocolate, mixing chocolate with other products, with cream, for example, or sugar, making infusion, things like this, to make pastries. So this is an approach which is very specific. After you have another approach in confectionery, which is completely different, which is little praline, we say bonbon in French. Here we work the chocolate in another way. We have to protect it more from humidity. It's another approach. So this is also our aim, is to orient people to where they would like to go and helping them to find the right direction to the activity which is chosen from the beginning.
The center will also serve as a meeting place for chocolate professionals, encouraging the exchange of technical expertise amongst each other. देखिए चॉकलेट थेरेपी के बारे में तो आपको अभी अभी पता चला है, राइट? एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू दिस दैट चॉकलेट थेरेपी वर्क्स ऑन एवरीबॉडी. इट डजंट मैटर व्हाट्स योर कास्ट, क्रीड, सेक्स, एज, डजंट मैटर. बट there is one therapy that works only on women. So whenever the woman in your life is upset with you, you've got to try this therapy. It's called the jewelry therapy. Believe you me, जब भी आपकी जिंदगी में जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट लेडी है कभी आपसे अपसेट हो जाती है, try the jewelry therapy. It costs what? One pendant, one bracelet, one chain, could be anything. And this is a quick fix therapy, guaranteed. And if you're looking for some therapy, then you've got to watch our next story. Bollywood actress Shilpa Shetty launched the Gehna Jewelry Boutique at the Gold and Diamond Park, Dubai. Shilpa Shetty is associated with all things glamorous, and jewelry is no exception. The Bollywood diva admitted to having a deep fascination for diamonds and more.
I was happy to be part of this really wonderful store opening. And the Gehna Jewelry Boutique is truly exquisite because their pieces are truly timeless. And I love Jarao Jewelry, and I was more than happy to be part of this wonderful initiative that they've taken to felicitate the 9 wonderful women achievers.
Really excited, and I'm very happy that she could make it for the launch and she was here, and she loved the jewelry, of course. But I'm more excited about the upcoming Navratna campaign that we are doing with Femina Middle East, who's chosen these women with us together with Gehenna. We've acknowledged 9 women who are achievers in their own right.
Unveiling the Navratna collection, Shetty felicitated 9 women achievers of Dubai. These 9 really special women are the stars that shine like the Gehenna jewelry in their own right. Entrepreneur and maverick behind Boutique Studio 8, Sara Belhassa, celebrated fashion designer Aisha Dipala, leading dermatologist Dr. Meenal Patwardhan, Head of Human Resources Unilever Middle East and Africa Shelly Kawatra, Head of Marketing Division Rackbank Banali Malhotra, Director of DM Healthcare Alicia Mupen, entrepreneur and owner of Ledit pop-up stores Faiza Rangoonwala, social activist heading the charity Adopt a Camp Seher Sheikh, and director of club apparel Seema Ved were celebrated for their unique contributions. It's time for us to take a short break, and when we come back after the break, I'm going to show you a unique museum that's opened up in Abu Dhabi.